everything is a point of interest. If you look around, everywhere you look, there is a detail that's unique. Wilmot, New Hampshire is a really desirable location to live in because you have your choice of your lifestyle. You can become very private or become best friends with your neighbor. I think that the people of the town of Wilmot really respect the privacy of their neighbors. You can have a location such as this as a private retreat where you can also do casual or elegant entertaining for large groups. When you come inside, there's a warmth that you feel. People immediately become at home here. There's just a lot of things that carry your eye seamlessly through the home, so that you just feel like you're moving gracefully and every place is as comfortable and connected as the one before. The property has a lot to offer. Again, I think versatility comes to mind. You can be at the barn working with your horses, and that is a lifestyle in and of itself. Or you can be up at the home enjoying the formal gardens, the fountain, the gazebo. You can hike any one of the trails. You can ride your horses through the trails.
There are the equestrian component of the barn with 12 stalls. There is a sugar house with many tapped trees and state-of-the-art sugaring equipment. Within the region, there is any number of options for entertainment. We are 20 minutes from Dartmouth College, we are 45 minutes from the Manchester Airport, and we are 90 minutes from downtown Boston. It truly is country elegance at its best.